welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we are going to go for a test drive in a 1971 Ford Torino Cobra 429, built to the max. It's got almost 600 horsepower. Well, good afternoon. Here we are at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota. We are about to go for a test drive in a 1971 Torino Cobra. This particular car is a body off restored example. Let's get her started and we'll go for a little spin around the block. When that thing starts, you can certainly tell this engine means business. The individual who built this car has a dyno sheet that shows almost 600 horsepower for a 429 Ford. Let's put her in gear and take it for a little spin. The shaker hood out there, definitely when you would pull alongside this car in 1971 when it was new, you knew this car, someone meant business. Guess what? Today's no different. It says Cobra Jet on the side and you don't know what's under the hood. That's why this car is a street machine extraordinaire in terms of everything on this car has been redone. It is what we would call a body off restored car. Of course, these cars in the day were loaded to the gill to go to the drag strip, and this car is no exception. Like I said, has the shaker hood with the blackened out hood panel on the hood, so you wouldn't get any reflection in your eyes when you're driving down that quarter mile. We also are very fortunate the car has power steering, which a lot of these muscle cars, that was kind of an extra thing that a lot of guys did not do, simply because, to tell the truth, power steering would take away a little bit of horsepower, but I think we have a little more than is to spare with this particular car. The Cobra was kind of the upgraded Rome model, the example for the high performance end of the spectrum. Nice thing about this car, we also have a Marty report, which gives all the particulars of this particular car. And with having made only a little over 3,000 of these, this is a very, very nice example. The car spent a great deal of its life in the southern parts of the United States, I believe Arizona for the most part. The car has very few miles on it since it was completed. The owner just got it done and decided, you know, his fun was in the build. Being very ginger with the gas. This is one of those cars that has an awful lot of performance to it. Takes a little getting used to, but it certainly would give any one of those guys in a Chevrolet a run for their money. That is for sure. So here, heading back to Ellingson Motorcars. Here we are back at our main showroom in Rogers, Minnesota, where we have 85 to 95 classic cars for sale at all times, from street machines such as this one to classic cars, convertibles. Thanks for going for a ride today, and this would certainly be one that would entice most of us Ford guys to be very happy.